Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure contract storage using Dropbox for real estate investors. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Dropbox website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Fill in the required information, including your name, email, and a secure password. Once you've created your account, log in using your credentials. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Dropbox homepage. Locate the New Folder button on the right side of the screen. Click on it to create a dedicated folder for your contracts. Name the folder something recognizable, like real estate contracts. After creating the folder, double-click to open it. Inside this folder, you'll organize your contracts based on different properties or clients. To upload your contracts, click on the Upload Files button. Select the contracts you want to upload from your computer. Once chosen, click the Open button to start the upload process. Wait for the upload to complete. You'll see a confirmation once it's done. Next, you should set up shared access for your team or clients. Click on the Share button next to your folder name. Enter the email addresses of the individuals you wish to share with. Choose whether they can edit or only view the folder. Click Send to invite them to access the folder. To enhance organization, create subfolders within your main contracts folder. Label each subfolder by property address or client name for easy identification. You can drag and drop contracts into these subfolders for better management. To access your files on the go, download the Dropbox app on your smartphone. Log in to your account using the same credentials. This allows you to view and manage your contracts anywhere, anytime. Regularly check the shared access settings to ensure everything is up to date. Consider setting up notifications for any changes or updates made to the contracts. This ensures you're always informed about the latest document revisions. With these steps, you now have a well-organized contract storage system using Dropbox. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.